I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying prerequisites and taking the very first actionable steps. Make sure Python 3. X and pip are installed, then install pyodb using pip. Once done, check that the Microsoft Access ODBC driver is present and that its bitness matches your Python interpreter. Mismatches are common. Next, prepare the ACDB or MDB file path and note the full path string. Finally, open your editor so you can write a short DSN-less connection string and test connectivity immediately. Now you will build the connection and run queries. Compose a DSN-less connection string, include driver, dbq equals full path, and optionally UID/PWD for protected files. Then in Python use pyodb. Connect connection string and call con. Cursor, to get a cursor, execute your select or insert SQL using cursor. Execute SQL. After execution, fetch results with fetchall or iterate with fetchone for large datasets. Make sure to commit. After inserts and to finish, commit any changes with con. Commit. Then close cursor and connection to unlock the access file. Wrap operations in try/except and use parameterized queries to pass values safely. This also prevents type errors. Once complete, validate results by running a simple select. If things go wrong, check 3 common causes: driver bitness mismatch with Python, the database file being opened exclusively elsewhere, and an incorrect dbq path. If you see a driver error, install the correct Access database engine and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.